Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a bagel egg sandwich, easy method. Crack one egg into a bowl and whisk with a pinch of salt and pepper. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat and melt a small pat of butter. Toast the bagel halves until golden, then cook the egg to desired doneness and assemble with cheese and any optional toppings. Gently pour the whisked egg into the preheated pan and let it set around the edges. Use a spatula to lift and fold for a soft folded egg, or tilt to cook evenly. For an omelet-style patty, push edges inward until mostly set, then fold and slide onto the bagel. Add cheese directly to the hot egg so it melts, and season again before assembling your sandwich. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing easy recipes. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfy kitchen shifts and morning runs. They pair surprisingly well with messy breakfasts and stay durable through many toasts and spills. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Place the hot egg onto the bottom bagel half, then add cheese and any proteins or greens you like. Top with the toasted bagel half and press slightly to meld flavors. Try swapping cream cheese for a savory spread, or add hot sauce for heat. This method adapts well to breakfast on the go, and leftovers reheat nicely in a toaster oven for a quick second breakfast later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.